When I tell you that this is the chillest job that I could have ever gotten. Ooh! I'm so happy that I did. I've been in work for an hour already, and I've just been making really cool robots. And I make content for the content creation team with these, and that's my work on Mondays. That's all I do. And like, it's not all I do because, you know, it's needed in the job that I do because they need to have videos and make sure that everything works well and so on and so on. But it's just really cool. Like, I can't imagine ever going back and working in retail now, because after working 3 years in retail and getting so much trauma from it, this is the job that I needed, and it's so good. And I know that I always talk about it, but this is what my Mondays look like. I sit in front of my laptop, listen to music, vibe, build robots for 3 hours and relax. And like, sometimes it is really annoying because you can't get pieces out or something like that, but you know, you don't have people screaming at you, or you don't have someone like controlling every single step that you make, or you know, who you talk to or whatever. It's like completely, you just do your own thing, and as long as you get it done, it's fine. And it's so refreshing and so nice. Every time I say I'm done with shopping, I'm not. Yet again at a shopping centre, but this time I'm only in Pavilions, and I'm done my shopping. I was in there for 20 minutes, like an in and out kind of job. I had to get myself where is it? My moisturizer from Ordinary, and then I got like these hamper decorations. What else did I get that I can show? I got cards to make Christmas cards. I got a bunch of sweets in a hamper just to fill up the hampers, and that's all. I'm done. Everything else is wrapped. Get me home. It took me half an hour to drive here. Fingers crossed it takes me less than 10 minutes to get home, because it should take 5. I'm done with shopping, and I end up shopping, but I'm going to the gym and I go, I'm not even going to show it, but yeah, shopping should actually finally be done for the final time, because I swear to God, if I end up going again, it's already like, I think it's a week till Christmas. I don't even know what day it is today, but either way, I'm wrapping the gifts up today. I'm not in anything else, and I'm done. I just got home and look at all the carrying that I have to do. This actually isn't even bad, because usually I have around 7 of these boxes, but it's a lot. I also wanted to show off how much of an amazing teacher I am. Look at all this. Look at all this. Imagine back in our primary school days, your teacher let you draw on her hand for the last 10 minutes of the class. All the kids, I don't know why they wanted to, but I was like, I don't really mind. They wanted to colour in my tattoos, which they did, and then they just started adding more and more. And it was their last class of the season, and I don't know if I'll have them next year. Fingers crossed, because I love that class and they love me and it's super fun. But I was like, let's make some core memories. And this is what I look like. I have finally packed all of my gifts. I'm so excited. They look gorgeous. Gorgeous. I cannot wait to go. Oh my god, I cannot wait to give them to everyone. I'm so excited to see everyone's reaction. And Christmas is in 5 days. 5 days. Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday the 20th, and I'm currently on my way to get my nails done because my thumb has completely fallen off. My nails are very outgrown, and it's just time to get the nails done. I get biab refill done monthly, and it's the best thing that I have invested in because this time last year I was not getting my nails done, and I was just like rocking the short normal nails, like, you know, natural. But this year I could not imagine a day without long nails. These are the best thing ever. Ta-da! This is the finished product. Oh my god, my nail tech was so disappointed because he was like, he could tell that I wasn't there last month, and he was like, he was judging a lot, but he still did an amazing job. I'm literally obsessed. Every time I go there, it's like from the picture. It's gorgeous. Delivering the first. Give something else, I'm excited.